our halfway point. So we're doing good, guys. I don't know if you noticed, but there's not much wildlife up here. We might see a stray bird or two, but that's about it, really. And the main reason for this is that there is no surface water here in the lava field. Because if you take a look at the rocks here, they all have these tiny holes in it. It's because of gases that get trapped during the eruption in the rock. So when it rains here, the water just goes into these tiny holes and it percolates through the ground, disappears from the surface. And so it's very hard for wildlife up here. Now, however, this is a water reservoir, so this is where we get the freshwater supply in Reykjavik from. It rains here, then the water filters through the earth for about 40 years, and it reaches underground rivers that lead closer to Reykjavik, and there it's pumped up and distributed. So that's the tap water in Reykjavik. So in theory, you could take a piss here today, come back in 40 years, and enjoy it as a drink from tap in Reykjavik. So we're really happy with our water. It's a good filtration system. Thrínuggi, the volcano. It's very unique. It's one of a kind. Because usually when an eruption like this takes place, the magma that comes from the magma chamber deep underground, it finds its way through the Earth's crust and exits, and when the eruption comes to an end, the magma will solidify in the lava shaft, and then there's no opening into the crater. It's just a big mound. In some very rare cases, there's a pressure drop in the magma chamber. So the magma gets sucked back in. This happened here. But usually when that happens, the whole thing will collapse afterwards, leaving a big bowl shape, caldera shape. But that did not happen here. Nobody knows exactly why. And since this is the only one on the planet that we know of, it's not possible to do any comparative research, so it's still just a big mystery. And we're very lucky that it, because when the eruption was ending, there was a lot of splattering magma and it closed off almost the whole top, but it left a tiny little opening, just enough to squeeze our elevator through, so that's why we can get inside. So we're pretty lucky to see it. And it makes you wonder if there are any other mounds like this that might be hollow on the inside and we just don't know about. And then what happened after the eruption is that there was a bit of a collapse on the inside, where there was a fissure in the crater, and two walls there caved in, and it created a big shape, which is under the hill there. And that's what we're going to visit today. It's one of the biggest lava caves on the planet. And I'm excited to show you. Is everybody okay? Yeah? Any questions now?
How long have people been, this have been happening, taking people down inside?
Since 2012. So it's quite recent. Started off really small, with only a few people each day. And then it slowly grew and we sort of maximized it, I think. I think we can't get any more people down there than we do now. And still that's not too many. We're always, 20 people tops at a time in the crater, which I really like. Yeah.
You haven't lost anyone, have you?
And it's a suspended cable elevator that takes you down. Don't worry, it's not an Icelandic built, it's German. And there are backups for the backups and so on. I've seen a few sprained ankles, but that's about it. Is everybody okay now? Yeah. Okay, we'll keep going then.